YouTube, coming to you live and crusty this morning. I've been up for a little while, but it's one of them Saturdays where you don't want to get up and get ready. So I put on my painting pajamas, and I'm going to be rocking my pajamas all day unless we figure out something to do. But I don't think we're doing anything. My bonnet. Yeah, and this is not coming off today either, so you'll be seeing me in my bonnet and my painting pajamas because, yep. So today we're going to be painting shutters and putting the shutters back up around the house. It's getting really pretty out, and it just makes me want to do more outdoor stuff, so stay tuned for all of that. Past 2 weeks, I don't think I posted for 2 weeks, so 1 week before that I was sick. You can probably still hear it in my voice. And then last week I do have content from last week, but I'm unsure about posting it. Not because it's bad or anything, but because I don't think it goes with the it's not consistent with what I've been posting on my channel, and I kind of want to, even though like I do this for fun, I just really do want to keep it a little bit more consistent because I get subscribers off of like what I post. If they like what I post and they want to see more stuff, more of that. So I mean, if you do see the video, I ended up posting it anyways. It's a fun video, but it just doesn't go with what I've been posting. I can post more of that if you guys really like it, but I just got to see how the video does. And if my subscribers actually watch it, because people have subscribed to me for weddings information or house renovations or house improvement, not funny stuff. So I mean, I don't think I'm at that point yet to where I can just randomly start posting stuff because I need to keep my niche. But yeah, that's why I haven't posted for 2 weeks. It's not an excuse. I do have the content lined up. It's just like I'm unsure about posting it, and I don't want to like mess up the schedule. Yeah, if you've seen this and I did post a video, then I hope y'all enjoyed that last video because it was funny to me. It just, like I said, you get subscribers off of what they watch and what they want to continue to see, not what they haven't seen, and it's like, ugh. So yeah, I'm just gonna get into today's video and go out and paint shutters because that's what we're doing on this Saturday. My fiance's painting the parts on his bike, and I'm gonna paint shutters. So okay, so I gotta really talk before I get out there because he has the air compressor on and it's really loud. But the first thing I'm gonna do is get the shutters, blow them off to make sure there's no dirt, dust, and crust on it. As you're gonna see, I started to paint them like a chocolate brown, but I changed my mind. Everything is black, so I'm going black. And y'all, I'll be working on my back porch soon, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be cute and a little vibe to hang out back here. Right now it's looking a little pitiful because we've had a lot of windstorms, so I had to push everything, like hide everything from the wind. But yeah, stay tuned for that too. But anyways, so I'm gonna take those, blow the dirt and crust off of them, and then set them up, and then spray them off with air. I mean, you'll see what's going on, and maybe I'll do like a voiceover for the next part, but I'm about to go outside. Okay, y'all. The wind's blowing, so it's getting a little tree crust on it, but this is the last set that I needed to paint, and it's all dried, and they will be going back up on the outside of the house right now. So right now my door has a few blemishes on it, but it's like a chocolate brown. But since it's in the shade and under the porch, it really looks darker. So I'm hoping that once we put the black ones up, I don't have to change my door, but if I do, I will. But that's the last set. I didn't film me painting the last two, and we're gonna see what it looks like whenever they go back up. So I have them all in the breezeway right now, all 8 of them. I didn't do the ones around the back because the back is going to be a whole new video because the back of my house is going to get a whole new makeover. This one needs to be replaced, but I still painted it for the time being so we can put it up where you can't see it at. So yeah, as of now, this is what they look like. Ow, this is what they look like. It hurt. But yeah, I'll come back whenever we're putting them up. All right, y'all, so I'm back and I'm fully showered. We decided not to put up the shutters today because there's a few things that we need to do first before we put them up. So I'm just gonna move on to the next thing. I went shopping on Thursday and I got a bunch of like random things from the store, but the main thing that I got that is gonna help me is this. Ooh, wrong side. For the laundry room, there's this little rack, and I got 2 of them, one to go above the washer and one to go above the dryer, but it has like a little hanger on it, and it has a spot to put the laundry detergent and everything else for the bathroom. I eventually want to do like build something in there to go around and like put some cabinets in there or something. I don't know, just to make it more laundry roomy. But for now, this was $10 at Gabes, so I got this at Gabes. Also, I want to try my lashes. I want to try to put on lashes, individuals today by myself. So we're going to do that and see how that goes. And then the last thing is, today is mine and Garrett's 6 years and 11 months. It's not really that big of a deal, but it's a Saturday and we normally do like whatever we want to do together on a Saturday. And because today we chose to do like things that, you know, I painted the shutters, he painted his bike parts, and he fixed his Comanche. So he kind of just did stuff around the house. So he's gonna cook tacos for me, y'all. And I'm cramping today, so he's gonna be cooking for me. I'm gonna make some brownies and have some popcorn and watching movies. So we're gonna watch me put up this shelf. I'm gonna take it downstairs because I do need to switch the laundry out. If you don't know, that's my downstairs. I can show y'all downstairs when I go down there. But I need to switch my laundry around anyway, so we're gonna put up these shelves, go down there, put it in there, and see what this looks like in my laundry room. Okay, so this is our downstairs bathroom slash laundry room. It has a shower, you know, toilet, yada, yada, yada. And then this is what the stands look like. Maybe I'll do laundry down here, like maybe not. I need to wipe that off because from where we had the laundry detergent there to begin with, it just left a little mess. But it's actually really cute. It's there for storage purpose, not really to be cute, but it is kind of cute. And then, you know, like I said, we can do laundry. I can actually do laundry down here and then take it up rather than getting a basket and taking it down. We have a closet right here, and then like that door needs to be painted, but the whole entire downstairs, I'll give you a glimpse of it, is not done yet. So we're working on it. We just got drywall pulled up. We need to do the finishing touches to that, but the bathroom is the only thing that's really kind of done down here. And even then, this ain't done. We can't finish putting that up or anything because on the other side of this wall is our bar that Garrett's parents built us last year, right before the new year. But we need to also do finishing touches on that. But in order to get water into the bar, we need to come in and connect to this water source from this sink. So we need to come into that pipe, which means I gotta bust through this wall, and we're just gonna end up putting different paneling up. So we can't finish this. So as of now, my shelves are here as a temporary fix, and they were $10 and they're cute. And yeah, like I said, downstairs still needs to be worked on a lot. I just painted this. When we moved here, that was ugly. So, I mean, it's kind of beneficial that we need to cut through this wall anyways so we can put the paneling up and have a reason to fix this. So now I'm gonna go downstairs, and I told Garrett I'd cook dinner if he helped me with my shelving. So my shelves are up, so now I have to go and make dinner. He's starving, I'm starving, so that'll be the next part. We're just eating tacos, so nothing special. Don't mind my dishes in the back. I did a lot of dishes yesterday, and they need to just be put away, but I haven't gotten to that yet, so yeah. My stepdaddy buys a whole cow. So we get ground beef for the free. I just gotta pull up to my mama's house and be like, can I get some ground meat? And he's like, yeah, go get some ground meat. So I'm like, all right, I'll get some ground meat. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna eat my food, and then we're gonna watch a movie, or we're gonna watch a movie while we're eating the food. I don't know, but either way, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here today and then pick up tomorrow with me putting my lashes on. All right, y'all, good night.